Hey guys, welcome to Striker Bytes. Today we are going to be using Portainer to install Uptime Kuma in Docker. Uptime Kuma is an open source, self-hosted monitoring tool that allows you to monitor the status of your services. After you set it up, you can use it to send you a notification if one of your services goes offline. Notifications can be sent using various services including Telegram, Discord, Spotify, Slack, Pushover, email, and Microsoft Teams. First we need to log into Portainer and click on Volumes. Next click on Add Volume to create a new volume. This volume will be called Uptime Kuma. Now that we have our new volume, we can run our Docker container. Click on Containers and then click on Add Container. This container is going to be called Uptime Kuma. The Docker image that we will use is LOUISLAM, Uptime-Kuma. The web interface for this application can be accessed via port 3001. We will map port 3001 to port 3001 on the host machine. Next, scroll down and click on Volumes. Click Map Additional Volume. The folder path within our container that our volume needs to be mapped to is /app/data. Next, select the Uptime Kuma volume that we created at the beginning of the video. Finally, select Restart Policy and click on Always. Now we can click Deploy Container. This could take a few minutes depending on your internet connection. Once the container is complete, I like to click on the log viewer to make sure that there were no errors during deployment. We can now access the application in our browser by visiting port 3001 on our Docker host machine. The first thing you'll be asked is to select your primary language. Then enter your desired username and password. Once the user account is created, we are presented with the dashboard. From here we can click Add New Monitor to add our first monitor. For our first monitor we will ping Google. This monitor will issue a ping to Google's website every 60 seconds. If you need to be notified that Google is down, click on Setup Notification. This will present a list of notification services that can be used to inform you of a service disruption. For the purposes of this video, we will leave this blank and click on Save to start up the new service monitor. The application immediately sends a ping to Google. When Google responds to the ping, the service is marked as up. Let's add a second monitor. Next we will monitor an internal network attached storage device on my network. I'll enter the IP address of the device and I will leave the heartbeat interval the same. Once the form is filled out, I'll click Submit. Finally, let's add a service that is unresponsive. This service will be our imaginary Docker host machine. I'll make up a fake IP address for the hostname field and click Save. Now you can see because the IP address was fake, there was no response to the ping. The service is listed as down. Next let's view and configure the status page. Click Edit to add services. I'll separate them into two groups by adding a group and calling it external. Once we click Save, we can see a quick overview of our service status. Let's return to the dashboard. From here we can give our Docker host service monitor a hostname that will respond to a ping. After clicking Save, you can see that it is now showing us up. Now we can explore the application settings page. We can click to change how the heartbeat bar is displayed. We can also change from dark to light mode, change our password, and adjust authentication settings. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any video ideas, please leave them as a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.